Have you ever dreamed of retiring early? Imagine a life free from the daily grind. You could travel the world. You could pursue your passions. Early retirement is possible with FIRE. FIRE stands for Financial Independence. Retire early. It is a movement gaining popularity. People are realizing that they can achieve financial freedom. They are taking control of their lives. FIRE is not just about money, it's about freedom. It's about choice. It's about living life on your own terms. This guide will show you how. It is easier than you think. FIRE is a journey. It's about making conscious choices with your money. It's about building a life you love, a life you don't need to escape from. The FIRE movement emphasizes financial independence. This means having enough money to cover your living expenses. You can do this without relying on a traditional job. FIRE empowers you. You are in control of your time and your money. No more dreading Mondays. No more living for the weekends. FIRE offers a life of purpose and passion. Financial independence is the cornerstone of FIRE. It is the ability to support yourself financially. You are not reliant on a job or others for money. Reaching financial independence requires diligence. It takes planning and discipline. You need to save a significant portion of your income. This allows your investments to grow over time. Imagine this. Your money is working for you. You don't have to work for money. That's the power of financial independence. It's the key to unlocking early retirement. Early retirement doesn't mean stopping work altogether. It means having the freedom to choose. You can work when you want. You can work on projects you are passionate about. Many people fear boredom in retirement. However, early retirement offers the opposite. You have the time and freedom to explore your interests. You can pursue your passions without financial constraints. Early retirement is about living intentionally. It's about spending your time doing things you love. It's about designing a life that brings you joy. Section 5. Different FIRE paths for different folks. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to FIRE. Different variations cater to different lifestyles and goals. You can find the path that best suits you. Lean FIRE emphasizes frugality and extreme savings. Fat FIRE allows for a more luxurious lifestyle. Barista FIRE combines part-time work with financial independence. Lean FIRE requires significant sacrifices. Fat FIRE demands a higher income or a longer time horizon. Barista FIRE offers a balance between work and freedom. Each path has its own merits and challenges. Section 6. The FIRE formula. Spend less, save more, invest wisely. The FIRE method boils down to a simple formula: spend less than you earn, save the difference, and invest it wisely. This creates a virtuous cycle of financial growth. Start by tracking your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. Then focus on increasing your income. Explore side hustles or negotiate a raise. Finally, invest your savings wisely. Choose low-cost index funds or diversified investment portfolios. The power of compound interest will work its magic over time. Section 7. The 25X Rule and the 4% Rule, your FIRE roadmap. In this section, we will delve into two fundamental principles that can guide you on your journey to financial independence and early retirement. The 25X Rule and the 4% Rule are essential tools for FIRE planning. These rules provide a simple yet effective framework to help you understand how much you need to save and how to manage your withdrawals during retirement. The 25X Rule helps you determine your FIRE number. This is the amount of money you need to achieve financial independence. Essentially, it's a way to calculate the size of the nest egg you need to retire early. This is the amount of money you need to achieve financial independence. To use the 25X Rule, you simply multiply your annual expenses by 25. This gives you a target savings amount that should be sufficient to support your lifestyle without the need for additional income. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. For example, if your annual expenses are $50,000, you would need $1,250,000 to achieve FIRE. This calculation assumes a conservative withdrawal rate that helps ensure your savings last throughout your retirement. For example, if your annual expenses are $50,000, you would need $1,250,000 to achieve FIRE. This figure might seem daunting, but it's important to remember that reaching financial independence is a gradual process that requires consistent saving and investing. The 4% rule suggests you can withdraw 4% of your portfolio each year in retirement. This rule is based on historical data and is designed to ensure that your money lasts for 30 years or more, even accounting for inflation and market fluctuations. This should ensure your money lasts for 30 years or more. By adhering to the 4% rule, you can create a sustainable withdrawal strategy that allows you to enjoy your retirement without the constant worry of running out of money. Together, the 25X rule and the 4% rule provide a robust framework for achieving and maintaining financial independence. Section 8. Ignite your FIRE journey, a step-by-step guide. Ready to embark on your FIRE journey? The path to financial independence, retire early, FIRE, can seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can make it a reality. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to get started and stay on track. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Track your expenses. Understanding where your money goes is the first crucial step. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending. This will help you identify patterns and areas where you can make adjustments. 2. Cut unnecessary costs. Identify areas where you can reduce your spending. This might include scrutinizing your monthly bills, canceling subscriptions you no longer use, or finding cheaper alternatives for services you need. This could include dining out less or canceling unused subscriptions. Cooking at home can save a significant amount of money over time, and it's often healthier too. 3. Increase your income. Explore ways to boost your earnings. This could be through a side hustle, freelance work, or even selling items you no longer need. Consider a side hustle or negotiate a salary increase at your current job. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. 4. Invest consistently. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. This ensures that you are consistently putting money away for your future without having to think about it. Choose low-cost index funds or diversified portfolios. These options often provide a good balance of risk and return. Remember, consistency is key. Even small steps taken consistently over time can lead to significant progress. Stay committed to your plan, review your progress regularly, and make adjustments as needed. Your FIRE journey is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step you take brings you closer to financial independence. Section 9. Claim your freedom. Start your FIRE journey today. The FIRE movement offers a path to freedom and a life lived on your own terms. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and creating a future where you have the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and live life to the fullest. It may seem daunting at first, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. Just like climbing a mountain, the path to financial independence requires preparation, determination, and the willingness to take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Start by taking small, actionable steps today. Track your expenses meticulously to understand where your money is going. This awareness is the foundation of your financial journey. Cut back on unnecessary spending. Evaluate your subscriptions, dining habits, and other discretionary expenses. Simple changes like cooking at home or packing your lunch can make a significant difference over time. Explore ways to increase your income. This could mean taking on a side job, freelancing, or even starting a small business. Diversifying your income streams not only boosts your savings but also provides a safety net. Begin investing, even if it's just a small amount. The power of compound interest means that your money can grow significantly over time. Consult with a financial advisor to create an investment strategy that aligns with your goals. The power to change your financial future is in your hands. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and stay motivated by visualizing the life you want to build. Embrace the FIRE method and start building the life of your dreams today. Create a vision board to keep your goals in sight and remind yourself of the reasons you're on this journey. Your future self will thank you. Imagine looking back years from now, proud of the steps you took and the life you created. The journey to financial independence is challenging but incredibly rewarding. Start today and take control of your future.